Hey guys, it's James with AutOdometer, and I have a really dirty leather seat here, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to actually clean your leather seats. I'm going to be using really simple products that you can buy at Walmart, but if you don't have a Walmart close to you and you shop on Amazon, or you can shop online at Walmart, I'll show you how to get these products and you can easily clean your seats for probably less than $30. Now you're going to need a vacuum first to wipe off all of the dirt and loose debris. I guess you don't necessarily need a vacuum, you could always wipe it up. Then I'm going to put a tape line down here just to show you a really good before and after shot. First off, we are going to start by adding a degreaser or a cleaner. Now I'm using Super Clean, but there's probably 20 to 30 different products at Walmart that are dedicated to cleaning leather. I just use Super Clean because it's cheap and I can dilute it. I buy it in the gallon bottle, and they have this at Walmart. But you can buy a dedicated leather cleaner so you don't have to do any dilution. And there's tons of different leather cleaners at Walmart and on Amazon for probably less than $15 per bottle. So first up, you spray on your cleaner or degreaser, and I diluted it 10 to 1, so 10 parts water for 1 part degreaser. Now you go ahead and spray it on your dirty leather seat. Then you pick up a brush. Now there's two different types of brushes that you can use. A small little detail brush, it's going to take you a little bit quicker. Excuse me, it's going to take you a little bit longer if you use the small detail brush. You can see that the dirt is already being removed. So you just wipe up the residual wet cleaner. You can see there's still quite a bit of dirt on the seat, and that's why a larger detail brush or larger rectangular style leather cleaning brush is going to work better. You just get more action. If you're finding that your degreaser or your cleaner is drying before you can get to wipe it up with your microfiber towel, just work in smaller sections. I went ahead and worked in a large section just because I'm used to cleaning seats like this. You might have to go over it 2 or 3 times before you get it completely clean, and it all depends on how dirty your seat actually is. This seat here probably hasn't been cleaned the entire life of the car, and this is a 2003 Lexus. So this took a few times, and you can see all the dirt on that yellow rag. It's quite a bit. This took a few times to be able to get it completely clean. Now you aren't done. When you add a cleaner or degreaser, you are stripping off part of the layer of the leather seat that you do want to add a conditioner to it. Now at Walmart they do sell really cheap leather conditioners as well, probably for about the same price as your cleaner, anywhere from $5 to $15. So there you go. There is a pretty good before and after picture. Now to review, we simply sprayed on your leather cleaner, and I used a all-purpose degreaser. Spray it on. If you don't want it to dry in larger sections, work in smaller sections. Scrub it with a detailing brush or some type of brush. You could even use a toothbrush if you didn't want to buy a dedicated detailing brush. And then wipe it up with a microfiber towel. And then to finish it off, you do want to add a leather cleaning or a leather conditioner. So here I wanted to show you another spot here in this vehicle that was really dirty. It even had some sticker residue there on the back. But at the end of this little clip here, I'll show you that I add some of the leather conditioner. If you guys wanted to purchase any of these products, head down into the description. I will link them up on Amazon. I will also link them up on Walmart, just because I know some people might not shop on Amazon, and there might be a local Walmart nearby that most likely they're going to have all the products you need to easily clean your leather seats. You might even have some of these products sitting around at your house. You simply need a cleaner or a degreaser that's going to capture the dirt and remove it. Then you need to agitate it. You can even use a toothbrush. You might even be able to use an aggressive microfiber towel. And then some type of leather conditioner or cream to be able to protect the leather from any UV rays and from future cracking and fading. Adding a leather conditioner really does help with the smell of the car as well. You remove some of the grease and oils that probably makes the car smell bad, and then you add the conditioner, which gives some conditioners have a new car smell, which smells really good, so it makes your car smell good. So here's a before and after of the armrest. Pretty impressive. If you guys like that video, subscribe to this AutOdometer YouTube channel. I have a lot of different auto care videos for detailing and easy maintenance tips. And with that, thanks for watching.